Introducing the new iROX K85R Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Digital and reactive LED lighting. Pre-configured effects allow the keys to react to your button presses. Featured in 3 color options: crystal white, aurora blue, light golden. Premium build quality. Pro features for a fully customizable experience. Wireless connectivity. Wired precision. Through connection options, 2.4 DHZ plus USB with detachable Type-C. Green 10, 11, and Mac compatible. Control your environment. Full color display and multifunction rotary knob. iROX customization software to create your own GIFs and customize for a truly unique setup. Fully modular, hot swappable switches. No matter what your preference, iROX offers easily accessible switch kits. Switches range from silent and tactile to linear and smooth, with short travel. It's time to redefine gaming peripherals. iROX.
Redefine.
And the K85R is our proof.